Welcome to the H-Files 5 in 5. This is the feature where we're going to be serving up the juiciest morsels of wisdom from the H-Files. I'll be endeavouring to do 5 key takeaways in 5 minutes, hence 5 in 5. So this is perfect for when you want all the insights, but you only have time for the highlights. So sit back, relax, and let us deliver the best bits, no fluff, all flavour. So here are my 5 key takeaways and how you can apply them in your own business, taken from my conversation with Marie Louise, also known as the Modern Midwife, who built a trusted, scalable brand from her clinical experience. So takeaway number 1, luck is overrated, discipline isn't. Marie Louise calls it coincidence and timing, but what really mattered was consistency and energy. She showed up every single day with purpose and built momentum before anyone noticed. So the action point for you is stop waiting for timing. Pick one channel, show up weekly, and post something that teaches or helps. That's how luck finds you. Takeaway number 2, authenticity cuts through noise. She never chased clickbait or controversy. She built her following by staying balanced and speaking like a clinician, not like a marketeer. So action point. Before you post, ask yourself, does this help or does this hype? If it's hype, drop it. People remember substance, not algorithms. Takeaway number 3, trust is the real currency. Marie Louise built credibility because people believed her. Trust is what turned attention into influence. So action point, protect it. Be transparent, use data, and admit what you don't know. Authority grows from honesty, not perfection. Takeaway number 4, partnerships need principles. Marie Louise turned down a huge contract because the company didn't align with her values. That decision cost her short-term money but protected her long-term reputation. So action point here, write down your non-negotiables. If a client, a partner or a brand crosses them, walk away because integrity compounds faster than cash. Takeaway number 5, influence is graft. It's not glamour. Content creation may look easy until you actually do it. It's planning, filming, editing, re-editing, and thinking 24/7. The job isn't about posting, it's performing with purpose. And the action point here, treat content like business infrastructure. Block time for creation, analysis, and response, just like you would do for finance, sales, or operations. So there you have it. 5 lessons from the Modern Midwife in less than 5 minutes. Show up with discipline, stay authentic, earn trust, protect your values, and remember, influence is work, not wishful thinking. Thank you very much for tuning in to 5 in 5. If you enjoyed this episode, then share it with someone who could use these insights and also direct them to the full episode. Don't forget to subscribe and join me next time for more practical wisdom in just 5 minutes. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and keep making an impact.